Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Too much pepper can easily ruin a great meal. It makes your food too spicy or gives it a bitter bite. You can fix this problem with a few simple steps. First, try to dilute the dish. Add more of the main ingredients like broth or water. This spreads the pepper out across a larger volume. Next, use dairy products to cool the heat. Milk, cream, sour cream, or yogurt work very well. Dairy contains a protein called casein that breaks down the spicy oils. You can also add acidity to balance the flavor. A squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar can neutralize the sharp taste. Sweetness is another great option. Stir in a little sugar, honey, or maple syrup. Sweet flavors mask the intensity of the pepper. Healthy fats can also help quite a bit. Add a pat of butter, some olive oil, or even peanut butter. Fat absorbs the heat and smooths out the overall taste. Finally, use starches to soak up the excess seasoning. Add extra potatoes, rice, or pasta to the pot. These ingredients act like a sponge for the pepper. If you are making a soup, you can drop in a whole potato and remove it later. It will take some of the spice with it. Do not throw away your dinner just yet. Use these tips to save your meal and make it delicious again. Be careful when adding more spices next time. Small changes can make a big difference in your cooking. You have the absolute power to fix any kitchen mistake and serve a wonderful meal.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.